converting links into a QR code that will look really cool, first we need to install the QR code library. You can do this by typing pip.install QR code in your terminal. Okay, so once we are done with installing the necessary library, then we need to import the library to use it, that is QR code. Okay, so in this step, we'll create a random variable that names dashboard, and we will call this variable whenever we need our QR. We will use the make function to create the QR code and will specify the URL as the first argument. So in this double inverted commas, you can put your link. For the link, I will go to my GitHub site, and in my repository, I will search for the link that I want to convert it into QR code and then simply paste it here. And it's done here. We simply call our command dashboard to see our QR code for the link.